found it. I think I know what it is. Yes. 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 Wait. Who will deliver this? I don't know. Let's open this. Lloyd. Hello, this is Ninja Travis, and today I'm going to reveal Lloyd's Quid bike from Ninjago Season 14 The Island. This set actually, I thought it's going to be released like the other Ninjago Season 14 Island sets in March, but it's earlier than expected. Only this Ninjago Season 14 Island set is released, I think, February, or it's like, I think it's February, and then it's really cool. So how do I get this set? I don't know if it's released in Walmart, Toys R Us, or other place, but I know it's released in Lego shops. How do I get this set is today when I go to the Lego store, and then the staff already knows me because I always get Lego sets from there. So when not, I just go there for like see if there's anything that I want. But there's nothing that I want. So I go off the store, but before I go out, the staff asked me some questions about Ninjago, and then I answered them, so they give me this set for free. So thanks to the Lego store and the Lego store that I get this Ninjago Season 14 Island set is Lego store in Richmond Center in Vancouver, BC, Canada. So if you also live in Vancouver, BC, Canada, the Lego store in Richmond Center is a really good place for you to buy Lego, and the staff in there are really nice. So if you are also a Lego fan like me, and you also live in Vancouver, BC, Canada, that is a good place for you to buy Lego. So anyways, let's get started on the review. So this set is ages for 6 years old, and the set number is 30539, and the set name is Lloyd's Quid bike, and it came with 43 pieces. So let's unbox this set. Well, this set didn't came with any bags. I think it is because this set is really small, so it don't need any bags. So I'll see you in the spit build. Hello, and I have just finished building this awesome set. So let's give you a closer look. At first, this set is like really cool, even it's really small, but I think it's really cool. So I don't know if anyone actually take it before I built this thing, because at the front of the video there was at the beginning of this video there was a knock while I was building some other Lego, and then I opened the door and I found a Lego bag, and in there was this Lego set. And then I look at the corridor, and then I don't see anyone, but I don't know. But the good thing is that I built this set now. So this set came with Lloyd, and he got an angry face, and a really angry face. And this hair piece got a headband on here, and he got this green sword. Actually, in the bag, there isn't a green sword. I mean a gold sword. But there was just this extra piece, so I gave it to Lloyd. And then, and then for his quad bike, he also got these two swords on the side, and you can actually make Lloyd stand on it, or you can make him sit on it. Oops. To sit on it, you can hold out these handles, so you have to make him stand if you want to make him hold these handles. Yeah, so this set is like the easiest set that I have ever built, because it's just a small set, a really, really small set, but still really cool to me. And the instruction book is really small too. Just, you see here, 14 steps. So I think this is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And please subscribe to my channel. And please also like this video and share this video. And also please remember, if you are a Lego fan and you also live in Vancouver, BC, Canada, you can visit the Lego store in Richmond Center. Thanks for watching. Bye.